Hello everyone, this is Sriyan Balaji. In this video, we'll do a hands-on on a new registration page. Let's get started. I'll go to Design Studio. So I'll click on Registrations. I'll create a new subpage and I'll call it New Registrations. And now I'll choose the form component to add to this page, and I'll choose an existing form, that is the course registration power page form that we created in the previous video. So I'll go ahead and choose that. It takes a few seconds to load. So that's that. So once you can also have to make sure if you need the captcha or not. I'm just leaving it open for now. So what I'll have to do is I just have to go back to edit and just check. Okay, this is the table, course registration table, and we have chosen the course registration power page form. The data, I'm saying this is a new registration page, right? So I want to make sure it creates a new record. So that's fine. And on submit, you can say your registration details in, recorded. CAPTCHA, we can make a call. Do you want to show CAPTCHA or not? So I'll just leave it there because it's also there for anonymous users. So this is the page, and we have the new registration page for now. Um, so I'll also move this to other pages so that it doesn't show in the navigation. Basically, what I want to do is from the link in the list page, I want to go to the new registration. So that's it for the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.